Hello, this is Jack from Having Fun Studios inside of Eastmark High School, and I have with me a friend.
I'm Ethan.
Ethan's going to be helping me shoot my video today. So my video is going to be about how to snap tabs on Chrome OS or on your Chromebook. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing that you're going to need to do is you're going to need to have two tabs, or you can even have one if you want. So next, you're going to tap, and drag a tab out. So you'll see now there's two windows. And then after that, you're gonna drag a window to all the way on the other side, or well, you can drag onto this side or this side. You'll see a transparent box appear. Then let go, and now it's snapped. Unlike Windows, which is a more popular OS, you have to snap both tabs like this. You have to drag the other one. And that's the video. We're done. So thank you guys so much for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks, Ethan. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.